Hi, my name's Daniel. I'm from Johns Lyng and I'm representing our OneTouch Preventative today. Today we are introducing our white label booking platform exclusive to the AHA. It's a maintenance-based platform that publicans and owners can use to register maintenance jobs within their venues. So the app is a full white label booking platform for all maintenance requests. We do works for anything from sort of blocked toilets to broken basins to broken mirrors to electrical, anything sort of HVAC and EVAC within their venues. So the top three reasons why sort of members should use the booking platform, I think one is peace of mind when it comes to costs and having set rates for all our trades. I think two, having a 24-hour service where no matter any time of the day, the phones are manned and we can obviously get out there to sort of address your issue so you are open for business the next day. And I think three, having a sort of dedicated account manager that is literally tied into this account and is generally your point of call for all your works.